Today I'm working on something special here. It's a 2022 Ford Lightning. It's got about 3,000 kilometers on it. It's been ceramic coated. Overall, fit and finish on this vehicle, really nice. The owner is kind of complaining about this, right? So if you've seen them online, they have a nice big light bar in front, but the gaps don't line up. I'm gonna work on that today. So looking at the vehicle, determined that the headlight is low. The whole hood is low, but if I raise the hood, it'll make the gaps worse. So I'm gonna start by removing this plastic. It's just got some turns. After you remove the top cover, which actually comes out pretty easy, you kind of pull from the back forward because there's a clip down here, and then you have this lower piece, goes in here, has 3 clips on it, so watch out for that. You can imagine getting a replacement part for that, but yeah, 3 clips, and that gets the whole light exposed. So look at that. I got it just temp set for now. I just want to make sure everything's right. So I'm also, this is now higher than this, but up here, this hood's low. That's, you know, a little bit, so I want to move the hood stoppers. Same thing on this side. The hood's actually a lot lower on this side. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see, but it's probably like 3 or 4 mils out. Mainly this right here. So I'm going to get the hood sitting right for the left side, and I'm going to keep you updated. So I got the left side all adjusted. There is 3 black bolts that you need to loosen. 1, 2, and then there's 1 down there. So what that does is loosens the headlight to the bracket, and then there's 2 silver bolts that hold the bracket to the rad support. So you loosen these, then you have movement on the light, and then you loosen those, and then you can move the whole bracket. Let's see how this light turned out. Can't tell you how many times I've lifted that thing up and down. Battery might be dead when I'm finished, but look at that. Still protrudes out a little bit, but the fit is way better. Obviously that's something you can't do at the factory. You don't have the time, but when you want to fix something, just like that. I'm gonna get you on a time lapse, and I'm gonna do the right hand side. A lot tighter, looks a lot better. Levelness here, not the greatest. There's like some scuff. I think that was even from the factory. But yeah, no, this truck has a great fit and finish on it. especially for an F-150, especially for a North American vehicle. Well, I hope you enjoyed the F-150 Lightning content. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.